Hey guys, so we're currently on our way to, don't walk away from me.
What?
We're on our way to Hollywood Studios. We are at the Riviera. We're gonna ride the Skyliner. So I'm so excited. Someone wrote, Jesus loves you in the sky, which I thought was so cute, and he keeps writing it like everywhere. This is the resort. It's really pretty. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I feel like you guys can't hear me at all, but it's whatever. We're about to ride the Skyliner and I've never ridden it before and I'm so excited. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, that's so pretty.
They're not electric eels. Those are snakes.
Oh my god. Are you excited? Yeah. I don't know how I feel. I'm kind of nervous. A Beauty and the Beast one. What?
You can't see what else he's riding. So let's try to get the Star Wars one. Oh, that's kind of neat.
God. I don't know how I feel.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins.
I don't know if the Star Wars one is still here. I don't want a boring one. I want one with a character. Oh, Molly, there it is.
Oh.
Run.
Stay seated.
Anxiety.
We have our own.
How do you feel, Dad?
What do you see? Can you see your reflection?
Are you going to be able to see out? I don't feel like you're going to be able to see out.
Yeah, when we get up in the air.
Here we go. We're gonna launch up.
Which one?
Hey, don't laugh at me.
Or in Stitch?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fun. I see he's up there. He's right there.
Oh, I see him. Okay.
Smile.
I wish they had some music.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so quiet. Oh, yeah. I can't.
Say hi, Noah.
This is scary.
This is scary.
No, it's not.
Teala, come here. Sorry about that.
Yeah, he used mine. He'll build it down.
Hollywood Studios. It's busy today.
4 hours a day.
Every park is busy today.
It is so gorgeous.
But it's beautiful weather.
Do you want to go to Galaxy's Edge or do you want to go to Toy Story Land?
Whatever you guys want, I'm following you.
That's right, Mom. You already been here.
Let's go to Toy Story Land.
Okay,
Woohoo! Here we go. Coley, look at all the Star Wars stuff. I'm gonna look at all of it for you because you can't look at it. Yes. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. For real, this is Star Wars stuff everywhere.
Well, there was one.
The lightsaber.
Your designated.
Toy Story Land. I don't think my mic is hooked up. Your mic isn't on? I don't know. I feel like they can hardly hear me when I'm back here, so leave a comment down below if you can hear me at all. Here we go. Oh my god, he's got a GoPro too, so I don't feel awkward. What's up, guys? Oh my god. I think the camera's dirty. Fix it. Dun, 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 dun. Go crazy, go crazy. Woo! Careful! Where's Dad? Where are they? Oh, there they are! There they are! Oh my god! Millennium Falcon charm came out on Wednesday, and this is it. It's so pretty, and it's only available in Hollywood Studios. Okay guys, so we just got off the rock and roller coaster, and I almost died twice, but that's fine. We knew this was gonna happen. We literally waited maybe 20 minutes, and it was an hour and 30-minute ride. Wait, no.
135 minutes.
135 minute wait, but we had fast passes, so we got that. And then we found out that the Pandora here had a Millennium Falcon charm exclusive only to this park, limited time. And Cole's not here, so he loves Star Wars, and I just told him about it, and he said to check my PayPal, and he sent me money to get it. So now I have the Millennium Falcon charm, and it's gonna represent my boyfriend and my charm, and I'm so excited. But now we're trying to find our family because they're somewhere around here somewhere. I don't know where. We're probably going the wrong way. If honestly, I'm thinking about it now.
Singing that.
We're in Galaxy's Edge now. Only if Cole was here. This is a doggo. Oh my god, he looks so cute. Here we go. We're on a mission to get something for Cole. But there's so many people, we gotta try to find it. Here we go. Stormtroopers. Hey stormtroopers. They scare me. I'm scared they're gonna like talk to me. Look at all this. Okay guys, so we stopped near Star Tours for a little quick snack before lunch. I don't know what this place is called. Otherwise I would tell you what it is. But we got some chicken tenders, and we're just gonna share it because dinner's really soon. But we just want a little snack before dinner. I did some shopping. I got Cole a gift. I have to get him one more thing that I saw that I thought he would really like. And then we are gonna head to dinner, which is in Universal, and then I think that's the end of our day. So I'm gonna eat. I'm sorry I'm not vlogging as much. It's just hard, and I understand the struggle now.